everyone. I am Dheeraj Singh, working as an assistant professor in ABS Engineering College. Welcome to the new lecture of lecture series on network analysis and synthesis, and our today's topic will be Fourier series, in which we will study what is wave symmetry and how the Fourier series coefficients are depending upon the wave symmetry. So, these are the contents that we are going to discuss. First of all, we will see what is a symmetry, what is even symmetry, what is odd symmetry, what is half wave symmetry and what is quarter wave symmetry. That all we will discuss, and on the same we will see one example on each of the symmetric problem and how the Fourier series coefficients will change depending upon the symmetry. So, this is our first symmetry, that is even symmetry. So, function is said to be even if it satisfies mathematically as x of t equals to x of minus t. If any function which satisfy x of t equals to minus x of minus t, x of t equals to x of minus t, then it is said to be a even symmetrical mathematically. Graphically, we can see our symmetrical condition for even symmetry by considering this axis. If for this axis, if I will invert, or if I will see the mirror image of this function, the mirror image of this function will remain same, then we are going to set that this function is even symmetrical. If the portion which is on the right hand side of this axis is going to left hand side of the axis are going to the same after the flipping of this, after the flipping of this function from right to left and left to right, we are going to say that the function is said to be even symmetrical. And if the function is even symmetric, for that our trigonometric Fourier series coefficient a naught will become 2 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t dt, which we have studied as 1 by t 0 to t x of t dt. This will help in the simplification of integral. Then a n can be written as 4 by t 0 to t x of t cos of n omega t dt. This is the value of a n. If the function is even symmetrical, a n will become 4 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t cos n omega t dt, where t is always obviously the time period of the signal. And for even symmetrical function, bn always comes to 0. If the function is even symmetrical, bn always will be 0, a naught will be 2 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t dt, and a n will be equal to 4 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t cos n omega t dt. So, suppose this is our example on even symmetrical. You can check that this function satisfying the condition of even symmetric, that is x of t is going to be equal to x of minus t. If you will find the mirror image along this axis of this function, it will remain same. So, we can say that this function is even symmetrical. So, if it is even symmetrical, so we will have value of a naught, we will calculate value of a n, we will not find the value of b n, because we know that the function is even symmetrical. So, b n is going to be 0. So, time period of this signal is, this is time period of the signal, which is 2 pi, because it is repeating itself after every 2 pi interval. So, fundamental frequency will be 2 pi by t, where 2 pi by 2 pi it will be equal to 1, omega has come out to be 1. So, a naught will be equal to 2 by t 0 to t by 2 x t dt. We are using this this value of a naught because the function is even symmetric. If it will not be even symmetric, then we will use a naught equals to 1 by t 0 to t x of t dt. So, because it is t is 2 pi. So, 2 divided by 2 pi. Now, it is 0 to t by 2, half of the period is 2 pi by 2, which is equals to pi. So, we need to calculate only we need to calculate the function equation for 0 to pi only. So, 0 to pi is this value, this is our function from 0 to pi. So, we can obtain the equation of this line, and it will come out a by pi into t. For 0 to pi, x of t will have a value of a by pi into t into dt. So, we can obtain it with the help of line equation, a by pi into t into dt. So, a by pi square, so we will get cancel. So, we will get t as t square by 2, 0 to pi, which is equal to a by 2. A n will come out 4 by t. So, we have obtained our a naught is a by 2. Now, next we will find out a n, which is 0 to t by 2 x of t cos of n omega t dt, again 4 by 2 pi, because time period is divided by 2. So, 0 to pi the function is a by pi into t, that we need to obtain with the help of this line equation. Then cos of n t dt, 2a by pi square, 2a by pi square. So, t into cos of n t, we will use integration by parts. So, integration by parts, according to integration by parts, first same, second integration is cos n t sin n t by n, and its limit is 0 to pi. Next, minus differentiation of t is 1 into sin of n t by n into dt from 0 to pi. Then do a by pi square, pi into sin n pi minus 0, then cos n t by n square from 0 to pi. So, we will obtain it as 2a by n square pi square cos n pi minus cos 0, and we know that cos n pi can be written as minus 1 to the power n, cos n pi can be written as minus 1 to the power n minus 1. So, a n will be equal to minus 4 a by n square pi square for odd value of n. For example, n equals to 1, we will obtain minus 4 a by n square pi square, and if n equals to 2, a n will become equal to 0. So, we will get it as a n equals to minus 4 a by n square pi square for odd value of n, and for even value of n, a n will be equal to 0. So, our Fourier series, trigonometric Fourier series can be represented as a naught plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity a n cos n omega t, because b n is 0 due to even symmetricity, a naught is a by 2, and n equals to odd to infinity minus 4 a by n square pi square, that we have calculated for odd values of n into cos of n t. Now, this is going to be the trigonometric Fourier series. Next, C n, which is exponential Fourier series coefficient, we can also obtain C n as a n minus j into b n by 2, and we will get it as C n as minus 2 a by n square pi square for odd value of n, and 0 for n even values of n that we are going to obtain. So, this is how we can calculate for even symmetric function. Next is odd symmetry. A function is said to be odd symmetric if x of t equals to minus x of t minus t, if it satisfy mathematically as x of t equals to minus x of minus t, then it is going to be odd symmetric. Mathematically, graphically, we can obtain by finding out its mirror image and inverting it with respect to horizontal axis. So, for odd symmetric function, a naught will be equal to 0 and a n will be equal to 0, and we will get the value of b n only. in even symmetric we have a naught a n value, in odd symmetric we have only b n value, b n was 0 in even symmetric function. So, this is an example of example on odd symmetricity. Suppose this is the function and we need to calculate its trigonometric Fourier series. So, it can be verified that this is odd symmetric function. So, for odd symmetricity, first you can find out x of minus t. So, x of minus, for x of minus t, all the things minus x of t, this is minus x of t, and minus x of minus t will be equal to, is going to be the same function. This is minus x of minus t. So, x of t equals to minus x of minus t. So, we are going to say that this is going to be an odd function, and if it is an odd function, x of t we have defined as a from 0 to pi and minus a from pi to 2 pi. Fundamental frequency is 1, which is 2 pi by t. So, a naught will be 0 for odd symmetric function, a n will be 0 and b n will be equal to 4 by t, which is equal to 0 to t by 2 x of t sin n omega t dt. So, 4 by t time period is 2 pi, t by 2 is pi, because we are integrating from 0 to pi. For 0 to pi it has a value of a. So, we will have put it at a, 2a by pi sin n t dt, then we will integrate it. So, we will get minus cos n t by n from 0 to pi, minus 2a by pi cos n pi minus cos 0 divided by n, we will obtain as minus 2a by n pi minus 1 to the power n minus 1, or 2a by n pi 1 minus 1 to the power n. So, if value of n is odd, we will get 4a by n pi. For even n it will be 0, because this factor will become 1 minus 1 for even value of n. So, it is going to be 0. So, b n is going to be 0 for even value of n. So, the trigonometric Fourier series will become 1 to infinity b n sin n omega t, b n sin n t. So, for odd value of n we will get 4a by n pi into sin n t. So, 4a for odd value of n, for example 4a by pi sin n t, here we get n equals to 1, 4a by 3 pi sin 3 t for n equals to 3, 4a by 5 pi into sin 5 t for n equals to 5. So, we will obtain only odd values of n, we will obtain trigonometric Fourier series coefficient for only odd values of n. This is how we can obtain trigonometric Fourier series for odd function. Next is half wave symmetry. Half wave symmetry, a function is said to be half wave symmetric if it satisfies this condition: x of t is equals to minus x of t plus minus t by 2, where t is time period of the given signal, then a function is said to be half wave symmetric. If the function is half wave symmetric, so for that case our Fourier series coefficient a n will be 0 and b n will be 0 for even values of n. We will have 0 value for a n and b n for n even, and when n is odd we will obtain a n as 4 by t 0 to t by 2 x t cos n omega t dt, and b n equals to 4 by t 0 to t by 2 x of t sin n omega t dt. So, we will do one example on half wave symmetric. This is the function. So, you can check that this will satisfy half wave symmetricity. So, this is x of t, we can check for this condition graphically as x of t is now x of t minus t by 2. If this function is x of t minus t by 2 can be calculated by shifting this function, shifting t by 2 units to the left. So, we will shift this function by t by 2 units to the left, and we will obtain as x of t minus t by 2. This is how we will obtain x of t minus t by 2. So, after shifting x of t by after shifting x of t by t by 2 unit, we have obtained this. Now to obtain minus x of t minus t by 2, we will flip this, we will rotate this with respect to horizontal axis. This is time axis. So, whatever will be at above horizontal side will become below horizontal axis, and whatever will be below horizontal axis will become above horizontal axis. So, we will obtain it as this one. So, we can see that we have obtained the same function as x of t. So, it satisfies x of t equals to minus x of t minus t by 2. So, it is said to be half wave symmetric. So, for half wave symmetric, now we need to calculate x of t, because a n is 4 by t 0 to t by 2. So, t by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 0 to 1 t cos n pi t dt, because we have obtained x of t with the help of line equation as this x of t equals to minus of t plus 1, that we have obtained for this signal from minus 1 to 0, and from 0 to 1 it will have a value of t. So, we can calculate a n as 4 by t 0 to t by 2 or 4 by 2 0 to 1 t cos n pi t dt. So, a n is 4 by 2 0 to 1 t cos n pi t dt. Again integration by parts we have used, t same, sin n pi t by n pi minus differentiation of t which is 1 sin n pi t by n pi. Then after solving this, we have obtained it as 2 by n square pi square cos n pi minus cos 0 after putting the limits, and we get it as 2 by n square pi square minus 1 to the power n minus 1 or minus 4 by n square pi square for odd value of n, because it is half wave symmetric. So, a n and b n will exist only for odd value of n. So, a n is minus 4 by n square pi square for odd value of n. Now, we will calculate b n. b n again we will have the value of function s t from 0 to 1. Again we will integrate with the help of integration by parts, t minus cos n t by n pi minus 1 differentiation of t minus cos n pi t by n pi, and after putting the limits we have obtained it as 2 by n pi minus 1 to the power n plus 1 for odd value of n, that is for b n. So, we have a naught equals to 0, a n minus 4 by n square pi square that we have obtained, and b n is 2 minus 1 to the power n plus 1 by n pi for odd value of n. So, this is how we can represent our function in terms of trigonometric Fourier series, and this will be for odd value of n only. For even value of n, because function is half wave symmetric, it will be 0. So, there will not be any value of a n and b n for odd value, for even value of n. For odd value of n, we have calculated a n as minus 4 by n square pi square and b n as 2 into minus 1 to the power n plus 1 by n pi for odd value of n. So, next one is quarter wave symmetry. Function is said to be quarter wave symmetric if it satisfy even symmetric, if it satisfy even symmetric condition, even symmetric condition को भी satisfy कर रहा है और half wave को भी satisfy कर रहा है अगर, then it is said to be even and half wave symmetric, then it is said to be quarter wave symmetric. So, in quarter wave symmetric we can have even and half wave symmetric if the function satisfy even symmetricity as well as it satisfy half wave symmetricity, then the function is said to be quarter wave symmetric. If it will be even and half wave symmetric, a naught will be 0, no need to find out a naught. no need to find out Bn, and we need to calculate just the value of An, which will be 8 by t 0 to t by 4, 0 to t by 4 x of t cos n omega t dt for odd value of n. It means An will be equal to 0 for even value of n also, if it is even and half wave symmetric. Now, for odd and half wave symmetric, x of t will be equal to x minus x of minus t. It means function is odd as well as function is half wave symmetric. Function is odd as well as half wave symmetric, then it is said to be, then it is also said to be quarter wave symmetric. So, if the function is odd and half wave symmetric, no need to calculate A naught, no need to calculate An, no need to calculate An, we just need to calculate Bn as 8 by t 0 to t by 4 sin n omega t for odd value of n only. It means Bn will also be equal to 0 for n even, for even value of n. So, we need to calculate Bn for odd value of n only. So, this is our problem. A rectangular wave is provided and we need to find out its trigonometric Fourier series. So, you can see, so this is the function x of t. If I will obtain x of minus t, it will be same. So, it satisfies x of t equals to x of minus t, it is satisfying this condition. Now, I will check for half wave symmetricity. For half wave symmetricity, first it is shifted to t by 2 units, t by 2 is because time period was 4 by 2 which is 2 units, it is x of t is shifted left by 2 units, 2 units left shift करने के बाद we have obtained x of t minus t by 2. Now, again we will rotate this with respect to horizontal axis, whatever above the horizontal axis for this function will be below the horizontal axis, whatever will be below the horizontal axis will be above the horizontal axis, and we will obtain minus x of t minus t by 2, and you can see that x of t is equals to minus x of t minus t by 2 and the function is said to be half wave symmetric also. So, this is a case of even and half wave symmetric. So, it is satisfying this condition, it is also satisfying this condition. So, we will have even and half wave symmetric, and we have studied that for even and half wave symmetric A naught will be 0, Bn will be 0, and we need to calculate An for odd n only. So, An will be for odd n 8 by t 0 to t by 4, Bn will also be 0. So, 8 by 4 time period is 4, t by 4 which is 1 and x of t is 1 cos n 2 pi by 4 t dt. So, we will obtain An as 2 into cos of n pi by 2 dt, and we will obtain it as 4 by sin n pi by 2 by n pi to 0 to 1, and we will obtain it as 4 by pi n pi sin n pi by 2, that is An will be 0 for n even, we will and we will have An for odd value of n only because of even and half wave symmetricity. So, we will get it as 4 by n pi sin n pi by 2 cos n pi by 2 into t. So, this will be our trigonometric Fourier series for a even and half wave symmetric function, that is quarter wave symmetric function. Now, there is one more example on finding out the trigonometric Fourier series for this function, and you can see that this function is also, this function will satisfy, you can check for these condition, this function will satisfy odd symmetricity, that is x of t will be equal to minus x of minus t, it will satisfy this condition, x of t equal to minus x of minus t, as well as it will also satisfy the condition of half wave symmetricity, that is x of t will be equal to minus x of t plus minus t by 2. So, you can check that this function will satisfy both the condition. So, this is a case of odd and half wave symmetric this is a case of odd and half wave symmetric condition. So, we will calculate, because of this is odd and half wave symmetric, A naught will be 0, A naught is going to be 0, A n will also be 0 because of odd and half wave symmetricity that we have seen here. For odd and half wave symmetry, A naught is 0, A n is A n is 0, A naught is 0 and B n will be there for odd value of n only. So, yes, so A naught is 0, A n is 0, B n will be equal to 8 by t for odd value of n, and we will calculate B n as x of t sin 1 omega t, 8 by t, t is 2 pi, time period you can see the time period of the signal is 2 pi, t by 4, obviously t by 4 will become pi by 2. The for 0 to pi by 2, that is for this period 0 to pi by 2, the equation for this line can be written as 2a by pi into t, y equals to mx sin n t dt, and then 8a by pi square, and then we will go for integration by parts, t into minus cos of n t by n, 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2 minus cos n t by n into dt, then 1 by n minus pi by 2 cos n pi by 2 plus sin n t by n square 0 to pi by 2. After putting the limits, we will obtain it as minus 2 pi by 2 n into 0, because cos n pi by 2 sin n pi by 2 by n square, and that is for odd values of n only. So, we will obtain it as 8a by n square pi square sin n pi by 2, and it can be further written as 8a by n square pi square for n equals to 159 and minus 8a by n square pi square n equals to 3711, but it will exist only for odd value of n. So, x of t will be written as n equals to 1 to infinity sin for odd values of n only. Then we further expand it, sin n equals to 1, n equals to 3, for odd values of n it will exist only, n equals to 5 and n equals to 7. And similarly, we can find out the exponential Fourier series coefficient by the relation of C n equals to A n minus j B n by 2, and it is minus j into minus 8a by n square pi square and minus j into 8a by n square pi square for n equals to 1 5 n. So, this is our value of Fourier series coefficient for odd and half wave symmetric condition. So, we are summarizing here our symmetricity conditions. If the function is said to be even, if x 2 is even, that is x t equals to x of minus t, we have seen that exponential Fourier series coefficient is purely real, that we have seen in our first example. You can see in our first example that for even it will be purely real and B n will be equal to 0 and A n will not be equal to 0. So, B n no need to calculate if the function is even, A n we can calculate by the formula that I have given. Symmetry, if it is odd, it will be purely imaginary, you can check that the C n will come out purely imaginary, A n will be 0, A naught will be 0, and we need B n will not be equal to 0. So, there is no need to calculate A n and A naught, we just need to calculate the value of B n. Next is, if it is even and half wave symmetry, that is quarter wave symmetric, but in quarter wave symmetry it is even and half wave, the function is said to be C n is going to be purely real. For that A naught is 0, B n is 0, as well as A n will be 0 for even values of n. This is for even and half wave symmetry, and for odd and half wave symmetry, that is quarter wave symmetry. In quarter wave symmetry we have, if we have odd and half wave symmetry, C n will be purely imaginary, A n will be 0, A naught will be 0, and B n will be 0 for n equals to even, and for odd values of n we will have B n in case of odd and half wave symmetric. So, we have discussed all the symmetricity condition, and on the symmetricity conditions we have discussed about how the Fourier series coefficients can be evaluated depending upon the symmetry. So, this is the reference book you can use. Thank you so much.